Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can tune your home feed on Pinterest. So you can either, go to go up here to the arrow and press tune your home feed. Or for instance, you see a post that you don't really like, for instance this one, you can click on the three dots and press hide pin and press not relevant to me, and then you can press tune your feed there. Here are all the pins that I looked at today, and for instance, I want to tune it to stop showing, for instance, motorcycle pictures. I'm just going to press turn off for those, and you can even turn off all the history that I saw today, and also boards you can stop from them recommending, I guess. For instance, I want to stop them from recommending boyfriend gifts. Just turn that off. You can even enable some of the pins that you want Pinterest to actually recommend you. And you can also remove topics too. For instance, you don't want to see any more of skincare, you can press remove, you can add them back, and profiles, and you can edit who you follow. For instance, I follow these, and sometimes they do tune your, it goes through your home feed, if you know what I mean. But that's it. That's just how you can tune your home feed on Pinterest. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!